Hey, welcome to BlueTuskr's tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a free shipping promotion in Shopify. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through in generating a new free shipping discount. This will involve defining the specifics, such as the eligibility criteria for the discount, whether it's applicable globally or limited to certain regions, and any minimum purchase requirements. We will then finalize the process by activating the promotion. The concept of free shipping is not merely a promotion, it is an influential tool with multifaceted benefits. It has the potential to entice new customers, foster higher sales volume, and augment the size of average orders. Now, let's start with our detailed, step-by-step guide to setting up a free shipping promotion in Shopify. Open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify store's admin page. You do this by logging into www.shopify.com. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once inside your Shopify admin dashboard, on the left-hand side menu, here you will find a list of options. Look for the button labeled Discounts and click on it to navigate to the Discounts section of your Shopify admin. Within the Discounts section, on top right-hand corner of the page, here you will see the Create Discount button. Click it to create a new discount. It will prompt you to choose the type of discount you wish to create. From the options available, locate and select free shipping. Here, you can specify the conditions of your discount. Next, you'll need to assign a unique identifier to your discount code. This is the code customers will input at checkout to avail the discount. Shopify allows for custom code creation, or if you prefer, you can let Shopify generate a unique code on your behalf. Set the countries on where you want to offer free shipping. You can either set it to all countries, and then you can just exclude shipping that would exceed a certain threshold. Set a minimum purchase requirement, which could be based on the number of items or the total order cost. If you wish, you can also limit the discount to certain collections or products. You can also set the maximum discount uses as well as the combination. The next would be timing. Here, you can select when your discount should begin and when it should end. You have the flexibility to set it to start immediately or at a predetermined future date and time. Similarly, you can choose to have it run indefinitely or expire on a specific date. Review the summary and make sure that everything is to your liking. With all the settings filled in, locate and click the Save button in the top right corner of the page. Congratulations! Your free shipping promotion is now live and ready for your customers to utilize. Finally, you can now get a shareable link for this promotion, and it's up to you to let it out on your blog, social media, email, or any means necessary. Remember, the key to leveraging a successful promotion is effective communication. Ensure your customers are aware of this enticing offer by advertising it prominently on your website, in emails, and across your social media channels. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a free shipping promotion on your Shopify store. Let's underline why the free shipping promotion is such an asset to your e-commerce strategy. Customer attraction. Free shipping is a tried and tested mechanism to draw more customers. People are always looking for the best deal, and free is a powerful motivator. This promotion can become the deciding factor that nudges a potential customer to make a purchase from your store instead of a competitor's. Increased order value. When you set a minimum purchase requirement to qualify for free shipping, customers are often willing to add a few more items to their carts to reach that threshold. This technique, known as a purchase incentive, is a clever way to boost the average order value in your store. Simplified pricing. With free shipping, the price your customers see on the product page is the final price they pay. This transparency can eliminate any last-minute cart abandonment due to unexpected shipping fees. It simplifies the buying decision process for your customers, potentially leading to higher conversion rates. Competitive advantage. Today's e-commerce landscape is highly competitive. Many online stores offer free shipping, so providing it yourself helps you stay on par with or even outshine competitors. It's an expected norm in many industries, and not offering it could put you at a disadvantage. Enhanced customer loyalty. When customers realize they can get their favorite products from your store delivered for free, they are more likely to return for repeat purchases. This way, free shipping can also aid in fostering customer loyalty and improving retention rates. What we did today is a simple but powerful way to enhance your customers' shopping experience. By offering a free shipping promotion, you're not only making your customers happy by saving them some money, but you're also potentially boosting your sales and overall profitability. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. Until next time, keep optimizing and happy selling!